Hey, what's up, Elmer? My name is Devin, and you spoke with Mary earlier today. So I just want to say thank you for taking the time for speaking with her, and then as well as watching this screencast as well. So, really quickly, I just wanted to go over three things I found on your guys' website. You can do super easy to beat out Barrett Tree Service. So as you see, they're ranked right here at the top of Google when you type in Boston Tree Service, which is a high volume keyword in the area. So, and you guys can be there super easily as well, and then as well as down here in this organic listen section. So like I said, I want to talk to you about three things today: content, backlinks, and citations. So the first thing I'm going to talk to you about is content. As we see, we have you guys' page pulled up here. So Google really likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on these front pages. You guys have roughly about 500 words of content, so definitely could go ahead and put some more content up here. And the reasoning behind this is because Google not only thinks this is what's going to keep customers on your page longer, they believe it's what's going to keep customers on Google longer, which is going to give them more opportunities to sell these ads they have here. So at the top of these pages as well as on the bottom of these pages here. So Google's all about making money, so they're trying to see who has the best and most authoritative content to put them front and center on this front page, because we all know how valuable it is to be on this front page, because about 70% of users are only doing their searching on this front page. Not a lot of people are going to this second, third, or fourth page when they're looking for things. So Google understands the importance of that, so they try to put these guidelines behind it to just figure out who to put front and center. So equally important as content is keywords. So Boston Tree Service is a keyword that you guys want to be ranking for. So as we see here, this gets about 140 searches a month alone just off of this keyword. So putting this keyword and as well as other keywords in that's locally in your area. As you see, there's some right here. So adding those keywords to your home page will definitely allow Google to basically let all the people that are searching these let Google know that you do provide these services. So Google will rank you for those words and basically send that traffic to your website for it. So definitely keywords you guys want to be ranking for. You want to add those to your homepage. So the second thing I want to talk to you about is called backlinks. And a backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to you. This is very important because Google is basically a popularity contest, and they want to see a bunch of trustworthy companies that's vouching for your company. So they'll give you a lot more power for using other tree companies and other contractors rather than using like a Pizza Hut that's sending links to your website, because Google knows you don't make a lot of pizzas for a living, so they won't give you very much power for that. So I like to use a site called Ahrefs to check this. You don't have to use this one. There's a bunch of free ones out there, but this is telling me that you have 32 different websites giving you a total of 723 backlinks. So that's 723 times your website is listed in 32 different websites. So, and this basically tells me that you guys have a lot of backlinks, but you don't have any power behind it. So, as we hop over here to Barrett Tree Service, we see they have 84 different websites. They have less backlinks, but they have a lot more power than you guys, which is what's bumping them ahead of you right now. So, what we do is we can come in here, we can see exactly what websites they have their company listed in, and all these high power ones that they have. You guys should be out going out and getting these for yourself. So a lot of these are directories, some of these are blog spots. So you just create an account, leave a comment, and then drop a link back to your website on these websites right here. But you don't want to just take all these bad ones. Some of these are trash on here. You don't want the trash ones. You want the high power ones. And then I suggest going out and getting better ones just really dominate the game right here. So with those two tips, that's what's going to get you ranked down here in this organic listening section, which is everything under these maps and under these ads right here. If you guys want to be ranked in this map pack section, this has everything to do with citations. So that's my third tip right here. So a citation is anywhere your business name, address, and phone number is listed in a directory. And a directory is basically just a website that allows you to list your business information, such as Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages. So you want to come in here, you want to see exactly what directories Barrett Tree Service is using. So they have 49 different citations, and this tells me exactly what directories they're using. So I would suggest coming in here and signing up your company for all these websites and then going out and getting more. And then if they have 49, I would suggest honestly going out and getting 100, because you really want to just dominate the game right here. You don't want to leave any hesitation. You don't want to give them any chance to catch or pass you guys. So with those three tips, that's what's going to have you dominating Google right here on this map section, and then as well as on this front page right here. So that's pretty much all I have for you. I tried to be pretty brief and quick. Hope this information was useful. Quick recap: we just went over content on this homepage, 1,500 to 2,000 words, as well as those high volume keywords that you guys want to be ranking for. And then we talked about backlinks, going out and grabbing these authoritative backlinks, and then finding more powerful ones. And then as well as these citations, just going out, grabbing all these for your guys' website, and then getting more, obviously. So again, my name is Devin. My partner's name is Mary. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to either one of us. Our cell phone number is 775 402 2885. Thank you, and we look forward to hearing from you.